If your SwiftUI view are making network requests, your app will work until it doesn't. As you can see, the network request is done within the SwiftUI view, which is wrong. This is a bad method. We should not do this. It has many issues with it, such as the SwiftUI view recreates itself. It includes side effects, and the network calls are not safe to repeat because they're in the view. And the other problems it includes are issues such as loading errors and cancellations, and also retries. All of this ends up tangled in the view. Your view becomes a state machine by accident. That can include other additional problems, such as it is hard to test. We cannot mock the URL session in the view. We cannot inject dependencies, and we also cannot isolate failures within the view. So what we need to do, we need to separate the logic, the tires, within the structures that SwiftUI allows, such as creating protocols. So we need to create a fetch user protocol that would return a get, and also a create user protocol that would create a post request. And then when we implement our protocol, then we can create the actual functionality to fetch the users from the API, as you can see here on this line. And also, if we want to create a post request, we have our post method, as you can see here, between line 22 and 31, with the content type, which is JSON. So how we would call the content view correctly, we would use something similar to this. So we pass in our dependency to our user ViewModel, and then we call the actual get request from our ViewModel, which is here. And as you can see, it's all within isolation, so that will get the actual get for the post request, and the create user that will do the actual posting. And that is one of the correct ways of how to perform network requests using SwiftUI and Swift. So if this video helped you in any way, there's another video that's a little bit similar that shows you how to create a production ready SwiftUI application, and it's available from my channel.